Hello and welcome back to Maddie's Gaming. Today, I'm on MLB The Show, and I'm going to be rebuilding the Cubs in 10 minutes against Muggy, who's also rebuilding the Cubs in 10 minutes. So let's go. Alright, Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Second timer, 10 minutes. Starting now.
Alright, you can do anything now. Oh my god, that's an absolute steal. I just got Corbin Burns and... Alright, Sergio. Alright, bet. Oh. Corey Seager, welcome to the team. Luis Arias, that's a solid player. Gio, welcome to the squad, Gio. Holy, just got Matt. Oh, dump this. Dump the contract. Oh my gosh. Aaron Nola, welcome to the... Sonny Gray, dude, this squad... Yeah, come on, bro. Yeah, that'll have to do it. Oh, Brian Reynolds, welcome to... Alright, I'll take them. Will Smith, welcome to the squad, Will. Cress. No. The Braves, why are you so stupid? Okay, yeah, I know I want to be able to finesse the Braves forever. Alexa, time. All right, what you have is what you have. You can set your lineups and stuff, and then that is it. Alexa, off.
Eternity later.
Let's go, bro. 63 and 28. All right, go to the end of the year. October 3rd against St. Louis. Taking on the Mets. Game 1, we win 1-0 against the Grom. Game 2, 6-5. Game 3, and we're moving on. LA, come at me. 5-0, game 1. 10-5, game 2. Loses, finally, game 3. Loses game 4. We lose. All right, I'm going in. It's game 7. All right, I'm going in, boy. Quick manage this. Obviously, gotta go with the Cubbies. All right, now. We got Aaron Nola on the bump. Got the God Squad. I already beat you, so it doesn't matter. I'm just trying to send my team to the World Series. All right, still 7-0 LA. Doesn't really matter. We're about to get Will Smith in this game. All right, I'm scoring 7. I'm scoring 7, and then the Dodgers are gonna go cry. Oh, Cody. Lucky. Foul ball. It's Will Smith versus Will Smith. He went blue. Rid him up, blue. Okay, he didn't go. Gas him up. That was a strike. Got him. All right, time to make the 7-run comeback. We got 2 innings. All right, Ildemardo's coming in, bro. Ildemaro. I don't know how your team stunts so bad, but... Ildemaro! Get up, baseball! See ya, Ildemaro! Let's go! What? Let's go. Brian Reynolds with a base knock. Everybody wants to be. Hold up, we gotta get the pen loose. Bullpen. We got. Devin got no energy. Chris Martin, I guess, is going, and Gregory Soto's both getting loose. All right, Corey Seager up. Better hit a left. Better commit some lefty crime. No! I grounded into a double play. Come on. Yeah. This comeback is going to be lit. And it's going to happen. The misery. Get down. That's a base hit. Line out! All right. All right, it's going to be a 6-run comeback in the last inning. Come on now. All right, Edwin's down. Unlucky. All right, the 6-run. It's time. It's time to come back 6. Ninth inning, 6-run comeback. Oh, Madelson rips that one foul. Oh, Madelson, no! That was almost a tank, bro. That one hurts. Come on, Matt. Base runners. Madelson, that's gone. Come on now. Come on, Gio. You're up now, Gio. Gio, that's down the line. Get on your horse. You're at 2. Beautiful. Luis Arias up now. Oh, Luis! Down the line. Go. 7-3, Almighty. 7-3. We got a new pitcher. We got oh, God, it's Bruce Dar. I'm dead. No, I'm not. No. Perfect line out. No, that's Mookie Betts out there. Why did I try? All right, come on, Jason. This is your time, Jason. Jason! Not going to send him. All right. Body up. No, I missed it. I'm not risking it. Kenley Jansen coming on. No. Oh my God. I had a mini heart attack there. Dude, if Brian goes deep, I will buy $1 billion. I will buy some V-Bucks. No. That's down! Two-run bomb! Two-run bomb away, Seeds! Woo-hoo-hoo. No, that was... Dude, I was just early. Otherwise, out. Unlucky, are you still there? Okay. This is scary. This is so scary. Oh, my God. No, dude! That's 2 foul ball bombs a season. My heart is pounding way too fast. No! Come on! Stay fair! Stay fair! Stay fair! No! It's foul by an inch! Foul by 2.5 feet! No! No! Get through! Oh, it's through! Alright, it's through, it's through, it's through. We're rallying, we're rallying, we're rallying. What? You gotta go? I'll try. We got Eric McDonald for Corey Cedar as the pinch runner. Come on, Wilson. Get up! Get up! We're tied! We're tied! We're tied, boys! We're tied! Just so you guys know, I've tried this a bunch and I've never actually won, so that's why I'm doing this. Mookie. Mookie just caught that baseball. No, he can't. What's his primary? What's McDonald's primary? Shortstop. He's a shortstop. Cool. The Dodgers fans are hype. Attaboy Andres. That's one. That's one. Hand review. Actually, if you watch my pity plushie video, you'd have a hand review. But strike. 2. Got him. I'm shaking. Ground ball. Fielded. We're going to extras. We got Matt. Foul. Come on, Olsen. I got you for your power. Oh. Just early. I got it for a moment like this. That's Dom. That's gotta be Dom. Matty Olsen. Future Yankee. Future Yankee. See ya. And from the home supporters here, one away. Don't copyright me the show. Gas them up. Ooh. See ya. Hater to first. It's the World Series for the Cubs. Let's go, dude. The Twins? And we win! Let's go! Finally! I destroyed this challenge. I've beaten Al Muji. Let's go! Alright, who's got the MVP? Holy, Aaron Nola popped off. Wow! We walked off. All right, everyone. So MVP for the NL went to a long. Okay, we had no one there. Cy Young. No. Oh wait, we're in the National League. We got Aaron Nola for the Cy Young. Let's go. Did we get anything else? 99% sure we did not. Get past Gold Gloves. Okay. Oh, wait. Did we get some? Yo, we got Silver Slider with Corey. Postseason MVP goes to Matt Olson. Wow, he had a good postseason. World Series MVP to Corey Seager. Whew. And these are your 10-minute. Some people might call me cheesy for going in. I don't care. It took so long. These are your World Series 10-minute rebuilt Chicago Cubs. Okay, not them. This squad, holy. My two best did not do during the post. Wow, the rotation choked. Whew. Thank you, everybody, for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, sub, and I'll see you next time. As we check out ViewBot score. Holy, walk off for the series. Peace, sub, like, you know what to do.